Hi guys, and welcome to your very first Java tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of the NetBeans IDE. So we're going to go ahead and launch the NetBeans IDE. Some of you may prefer Eclipse. It's just a preference thing. I prefer NetBeans because I'm lazy sometimes and I like to use the GUI builder, so I want to get more familiar with the NetBeans IDE. But if you're new to programming and you don't understand how to do GUI programming, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you should probably start with Eclipse so you can learn how to program GUIs before you use something that doesn't require knowledge, such as a GUI builder. Okay, in this tutorial we're not going to actually walk through downloading NetBeans or the Java JDK. If anyone needs individual help with either of the two, downloading Eclipse, NetBeans, or the Java JDK, just send me a message on YouTube and I will respond to you as quick as I can. There's plenty of tutorials out there on Google. If you just type in on Google how to install Java JDK, the updated version, and you should be well and good to go. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is over here we have our current project. As you can see, I have 5 current projects. You can just keep adding more projects to your window. I wouldn't recommend following along with the tutorials until maybe around tutorial 5 through however many I decide to do. I wouldn't start now, because it would just be very simple. But we're not going to do any real coding in this tutorial. We're actually just going to look at some basics. So to create a new project, you right click this area. This is one way to do it, and I'm only going to show one way right now just to make it easier. We're going to do a Java application, so we're going to go to Java and then Java application. For Eclipse users, I believe it's just a right click and then down to new and then Java project, and you should get a different screen than this. But all you're doing in Eclipse is you're changing the name. So we're just going to do new project and then finish. After that has loaded, if you're in NetBeans, you should have a template already created with your main class. Don't worry about what that is right now. We will discuss that in the later tutorial. Now, for our tutorial series, you also need to know how to create a class. You don't need to know what a class is for this tutorial, but you do need to know how to create one. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the generated package, which would be this one, right under source packages, and you're going to create a new Java class. You can call this main. And you actually don't have to do this if you think you can remember it, because I'm actually going to delete this. So that's how you create a new class. Just kind of look around and play around with the different windows and try to get a little bit familiar with NetBeans, because you're going to be working in it, or Eclipse, whichever one. And make sure that when you're programming that you know which tab you're on. Like if you're doing the main class, you want to make sure that you're on the main tab and everything. That's pretty much all for this tutorial. I will see you guys in tutorial 2. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my new channel, and I will have a lot of videos out for this channel. So if you're an intermediate Java programmer or an advanced Java programmer or even a beginner Java programmer, we're going to be going through everything possible with Java, at least, well, I would say more of the highlights of Java. There's not really a point in going through everything possible, but I'm sure you guys will find my videos very interesting. Alright, thanks for watching.